Can you remove members from Snapchat group? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll see that can you remove members from Snapchat group? So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first I'm gonna open Snapchat and go to a group I created as a test. So here I have added few members, and to remove, if I go to the menu of this group, here I'll get the option to to leave group, cancel invite links, clear conversation, add members to group, invite fair link, and etc. But there is no option to remove members from group. So here if I want to, for example, remove this member from this group, if I press and hold it, I'll get option to pin, manage friendship, chat settings, story settings, and etc. But still there is no option to remove this member from this group. So guys, it looks like there is no option to remove members from the group. Now the only way to get members removed from the group is that either you create a new group without the members you don't want, or you have to ask them to remove themselves from the group. So you can write here and ask them to remove themselves who you don't want in the group, or you can just write them personally. So guys, this was the only solution for the removing members from the group. Thanks for watching.